Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to convert your any Realme or Oppo device into complete iOS 18. So, let's begin. Before start, first you disable your system lock screen. Okay, I will show you how to disable system lock screen. First, go to setting, enable your developer option and go to additional settings, scroll down, developer options and guys, simply enable do not use lock screen and you can see your system lock screen has been disabled. Now open launcher. After open, first set this launcher as default launcher. Now you can see iOS 18 system wallpaper already set on this launcher. Now arrange all apps on home screen. Now after arrange all apps, first go to launcher setting, layout and guys hide navigation bar. After hide navigation bar, now apply iOS 18 icons. Go to launcher setting and change icon. Now you can see internet app. Find internet app. Simply apply iOS 18 icon. Now you can see iOS 18 icon apply on our device. Now change one by one all icons. Now guys, you can see after apply all icons our home screen look like iOS 18. Now apply iOS 18 control center. Set all permissions. Then enable control center. Now guys, you can see iOS 18 control center on our device. Now enable notification panel and lock screen. Guys, after set all permissions, enable lock screen. And you can see iOS lock screen on our device. And simply scroll down and enable notification also. And go to resize and set width and height. Simply done. And guys, notification panel also on our device. Now guys, simply enable volume panel. Now enable dynamic island. Now guys, simply minimize and play music. Now guys, you can see dynamic island on also your Android device. Now guys, simply tap on home screen and add widgets like iOS setting. Go to color widgets. Calendar, and guys, simply tap on widget, customize and apply black color. And tap on apply, change widget. Follow same process and add weather widget. Now guys, you can see our home screen totally look like iOS 18. You can also add widgets on side panel. You can see app library on this launcher. And last, guys, go to iNotification app and apply iOS 18 wallpaper on lock screen. And guys, you can see now our device totally convert into iOS 18. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.